Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Only Mathematics Nothing Else. So, students, today we are going to introduce trigonometric functions. In addition, what is angles, what is positive angle, negative angle, and conversion of degree to radian measure, and vice versa. So, these are the topics that we are going to discuss in this lecture. So, firstly, let me introduce what is trigonometry. Actually, trigonometry is a word that is derived from Greek words trigon and metron, whose meaning is measuring the sides of a triangle. By trigonometry, we will measure the sides of a triangle. Actually, it is developed to solve geometric problems involving triangles. It was studied by sea captains for navigations, surveyor to map out the new lands by engineers and others. And currently, trigonometry is used in many areas such as science of seismology, designing electric circuits, describing the state of an atom, predicting the height of tides in the ocean, analyzing a musical tone in many other areas. So these are the applications you can look of trigonometry that we are using currently. So in previous class 10 you have understood several basic concepts introductions of trigonometry. Further we will proceed the lecture and we will now understand about angle. What is angle? So angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray. When a ray is rotated, so actually that's measurement of rotation about its initial point is angle. You can look the figure here. Initial side, this side is OA is initial sides and it rotate, and final position of ray OA is OB, that side is terminal side. So OA is initial side, OB is terminal side. This will makes a angle. If the rotation in anti-clockwise, if the rotation is anti-clockwise, the angle is said to be positive angle. Let me repeat. If the ray is rotated anti-clockwise, the angle forms is positive angle. This common point is called vertex. On the other side, if initial side is this OA and terminal side is OAB, then if this ray is rotated clockwise direction, then angle such formed is negative angle. So clockwise direction, rotation in clockwise direction, angle will form is negative angle, and if anti-clockwise it will form positive angle. So I hope you understood the positive and negative angle. So the point of rotation is called vertex, as you know. If the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, that I have discussed previously, the angle is said to be positive, and if the direction of rotation is clockwise, the angle is said to be negative angle. And the measure of angle is the amount of rotation performed to get the terminal side from the initial sides. There are several units for measuring angle actually. Definition of an angle suggests a unit. One complete revolution from the position of initial point is indicated in figure. Initial side and terminal side, that will form 360-degree angle. Now we will understand measurement of angle by two units. First is degree, by degree measurement and radian measurement. Firstly we are going to understand degree measurement. What is degree measurement? So listen carefully. If the rotation from the initial side to terminal side, if the rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is 1/360th 1 by 3/60th of the one revolution, the angle is said to have a measure of 1 degree. That means if you will a degree if we have a revolution complete angle, if we have a complete angle, and if a rotation from the initial side to terminal side is 1 by 360, divide it into 360 part, then each part, one part is actually 1 degree. Okay, so a degree is divided into 60 minutes. 1 degree can be divided into 60 minutes, and a minute is also divided into 60 seconds. 1 degree is denoted by 1 degree. 1 degree is divided into 60 parts. 1 degree is divided into 60 parts, that means 60 minutes. So we can denote minutes 1 complement. 1 minute is denoted by 1 complement, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and second is represented by double complement. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So some of the figures you can look at your screen. Positive and negative angles. This is the anti-clockwise direction angle, that is why this is positive angle. This is also anti-clockwise, this will be positive angles 180 degree. This will also anti-clockwise direction rotation, that is why angle is 270 positive angle. This one is 420 degree. Now look in figure 3.3, this is clockwise rotation, that is why this angle is negative angle. In the same way minus 420 is also the negative angle. Now we are going to understand radian measure. So let me repeat about degree measure. Degree measure is actually 1 by 360 of a revolution. If we have a revolution, then divide it into 360. Find out 1 by 360 path, then that part will be 1 degree, and 1 degree is denoted by this one. Further, 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes, and 60 minutes is denoted by like that. 1 minute is denoted by 1 complement, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. We can write 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. And if we will talk about 1 degree, then 1 degree equal to 60 into 60 seconds we can write. So these are the concepts about degree measure. Now come to radian measure. What is radian measure? So it is another unit for measurement of an angle. Degree is also measurement of an angle. By help of degree we can measure the angle. This is another unit for measurement of an angle called radian measure. So it is angle subtended at the center. This is angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit. This arc should be 1 unit. This arc should be 1 unit in a unit circle, and circle should be unit circle. Unit circle means its radius is 1. Means radius is 1, arc is 1. Then angle subtended at the center such type that will form what? That will form radian. 1 unit in a unit circle, circle of radius 1 unit is say to have a measure of 1 radian. In figure you can look 3.4 1 to 4. OA is initial side, you can look OA is initial side, OB is terminal side. The figure show angle whose measure is 1 radian. This is anti-clockwise direction rotation, that is why it is 1 radian. This is clockwise, that is why minus 1 radian. This is 1.5 radian anti-clockwise rotation, and this is clockwise rotation, so minus 1.5 radian. So you know circumference of a circle of radius 1 unit is 2 pi. If we will find out its circumference, then see that will be 2 pi. Thus, one complete revolution of initial size obtained an angle of 2 pi radian. One complete revolution equal to 2 pi radian. Always remember. Further, if in a circle radius is arc, an arc of length r obtained an angle whose measure is 1 radian. An arc of length L is given will subtend an angle whose measure is L by r radian. So, a circle of radius r, an arc of length L subtend an angle theta radian at the center. If angle theta radian at the center subtend, then we have theta equal to L by r. Very important equation. This is usually used in physics as well. So very important equation. This is theta equal to L by r or L equal to r theta we can write. And what is L? L actually arc of length L. Theta is angle subtend and r is the radius of the circle. So now we will understand relation between radian and real numbers. Radian and real numbers we can understand. Relation between degree and radian. What is the relation between degree and radian? So since circle subtend at the center an angle whose radian measure is 2 pi and its degree measure is 360, that means 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. And if we will find out pi radian, then pi radian equal to 360 degree divided by 2, that is 180 degree. Pi radian, the value of pi is equal to 180 degree. Always remember pi radian equal to 180 degree. So this is the relation between degree and radian. The above relation enable to express radian measure in terms of degree measure and the degree measure in terms of radian measure. Approximate value of pi is 22 upon 7. 1 radian equal to, we can find out 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, and that will be approx 57 degree 16 minutes approx होता है. 57 degree 16 minutes 1 radian equal to. And if we will talk about 1 degree, then 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, and its approximate value is 0.01746 radian approximately. So always remember this approximate value. 1 radian equal to 57 degree 16 minutes and 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, that will be equal to 0.01746. Now in degree measurement and radian measurement we can look some crucial angles we can learn, like as 30 degree, that will be written as pi by 6. Pi 180, you know, pi 180 by 663, that is 30 degree. So in degree 30 degree its value is pi by 6 radian. 45 degree pi by 4 radian. 60 degree pi by 3 radian. 90 degree pi by 2 radian. 180 pi radian. 273 pi by 2 radian. 362 pi. So these are the values in degree and radian. So actually 30 degree is equal to pi by 6. As per notation convention, you can use following formula. Radian measure pi by 80 into degree measure. If you have to convert radian into degree or degree into radian, what you have to do? If radian measure you have to convert, then and degree measure is given, then directly you have to multiply that degree value by pi by 180. Suppose you have to convert 30 degree into radian, then simply what you will do? You will do pi by 180 into degree measure 30 degree, that will be in radian. 0036 pi by 6, value will be pi by 6. So by with the help of this formula, these two formula, you can convert radian into degree and degree into radian. Now if radian measure is given, and if you have to convert in degree measure, then directly you will use second formula. You will multiply by 180 by pi into radian measurement, and you can convert it into degree measurement. So simple formula this is, you can learn. Now let us take an example. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. So you know pi equal to 180 degree, 40 degree 20 minutes. So 40 is to 1 by 3, you can write degree. So you can directly multiply by pi by 184 degree for radian conversion. 121 by 3, simple. You can multiply by pi by 184 radian measurement in degree it is given. You can directly multiply and find out. So this is the value actually. In the same way you can convert by help of this formula. So I hope you understood the basic concepts about angles, positive angles, negative angle, introduction of trigonometric functions, and what is their use in day-to-day life. I have explained already. So thank you, students and teachers as well. Thank you everyone.